Praying to Venus, the Roman goddess of love and beauty, may vary depending on individual beliefs and practices. Here's a general outline. 1. Address Venus. Begin by addressing Venus with one of her many epithets, such as Venus, goddess of love, or Venus, queen of beauty. 2. Express gratitude. Express thanks for the blessings and joys in your life, especially those related to love, relationships, and beauty. 3. State your intention. Clearly state your intention or request, such as seeking love, improving a relationship, or enhancing your inner beauty. 4. Offerings. Make an offering, like a flower, candle, or incense, as a symbol of your devotion and gratitude. 5. Prayer or mantra. Recite a prayer or mantra, such as, Venus, shine your love and beauty upon me, or Venus, grant me the grace of inner radiance. 6. Meditation. Take a moment to meditate, visualizing Venus's loving energy surrounding you, filling your heart and soul. 7. Close and by thanking Venus again, and sealing your intention with a phrase like, so mote it be, or may it be so. Remember, prayer is a personal and creative expression, so feel free to adapt and make it your own.